when I feel what I feel. Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know.
Oh, yeah, I could play a song right now, actually. Hold on, let me just, okay, ready? All right.
You are the luckiest girl alive. You had your innocence then. Conquered the world every time you smiled. Now you don't smile so often. I don't see you so much no more. I really pray, but I just pray that you're well. I know you cry every night. Love it all in the sky. And I'ma burn one for you.
If I was singing songs, just to sing the songs. If I was singing cause that's what the bitches wanted. I couldn't play guitar like Van Halen. Had no secret chords like St. David. But you still came around, ate your lunch with me. Used to park your car to try the bus with me. But I would say, girl, don't be dumb. I'm riding shotgun.
Okay, no. Say Judy. Nigga, thanks, hold on, nigga.
And every time somebody asks me if I sing songs to get at women, I say,
Yeah, bro, you know, bro, I'm telling you, bro, it's the easiest way to get girls, bro. I'm telling you, she like 5'5", dark skin. I mean, bro, she yeah, how you know that? Like right now? Okay, all right, I'm away right now. Yeah, I'm at the campus right now. No, I don't see. Actually, I think. Man, what the?
now every time somebody asks me if I sing songs to get my women, I say no, they say, okay, I don't believe it. I say no, I swear I never do it.